What's up, everyone? Well, we are over here by Steve. There's a fishing tournament going on. He's throwing a cast net in, trying to catch some bait for later tonight or tomorrow. And after all these boats from this tournament come in, Debbie's going to do some videoing on that. But this place is pretty busy today. And nothing. No, it's throwing that cast net. That's hit and miss.
There ain't there yet. Wait till that bass boat shows back up marks in there, and they'll be everywhere. Y'all are just bumming around.
Alright guys, there's a little view of the Birdsong Lake Creek, and they weigh in at 3, so it'll get busy there. So